Good morning, YouTube. After a long time, huh? Well, these days I'm not going on unless I have an absolute and definite reason. So today I'm also out for that specific reason. Thank God the weather is better, I mean, as of now. Okay, let's come to the point. First of all, hope you all are doing good. I discovered a few issues on my bike. Now, the first one, I mean, this might have happened way long back and eventually built up to this level, but at the same time this needed immediate attention. So yesterday, was it yesterday? No, day before yesterday, yeah, I was at Prateek's place for some work, and I discovered that the right hand side front fork, it's leaking. It's leaking the oil that it has. जाने दो, लेट हो चुके हैं हम. ओए देखो. Maybe it started way back during the Tirthan days, like the Tirthan trip. I'll link it up in case you haven't watched or want to watch that as a reference. You remember the accident that I had, like not exactly an accident, but it was an incident, like when my bike went into some deep pothole at a very high speed and my tires bursted, like the rear mezzala, the stock tire, that just bursted out. It's a long story, you can watch that vlog. So maybe it started since then. So anyways, so that's the one problem, that's the most important one in the checklist, which I need to get fixed, and this will take time and money both, because as I googled, it would take somewhat around 1200 to 1300 bucks. I'm assuming it would take me a bit more. And also I need to replace my motorcycle's air filter, because it has gone completely black on one side. So this was also a long time due. I mean, I was supposed to do it in the meantime, but this lockdown thing has changed a lot of things in everyone's life. Those are the two things on my list. And some other things, like since I'm going to the service center, I will get my bike cleaned, I will get the chain lubed, and the usual stuff that they do. Oops, why I'm on this side? I took the wrong cut. Damn it, I took the wrong cut. See, this is what happens when you're not out on the road for a long time. You become absent-minded. I was supposed to go on that side, so I'll have to take all the way U-turn. No problem. So damn it. Chalo, koi nahi. Everything in life happens for a reason. These days in Delhi, the cops have become a bit more stricter, for no good reason though. You might have come across the different videos that have gone viral. You can search it always on YouTube and other things, and you will come across that a lot of bikers like normal 250cc to super bikers, particularly super bikers they are targeting. I don't know for what good reason. Maybe they're bored of riding their Royal Enfields and Apaches, so they just want to have a hands-on on some other bikes. And I believe they will also sanitize the bike. That's what I came to know. Like someone told me that whenever you're reaching the KTM service center, they will first sanitize your bike, and God knows what else they will do. I'm carrying two separate sanitizers, as you see on the screen. One for my hand and one just is a spray based sanitizer, which I can spray on my gadgets, like on my phone, on the motorcycle handlebar, if needed. And I cannot exactly check and tell you what's the time right now, because this KTM watch is also acting funny, because it's right now showing me 2:23 a.m. Can you believe that? It's not that I have not adjusted it. I did adjust it a few days back. I mean, this problem wasn't like this before. I mean, it was there, but it just went back or forward by some minutes maybe from the actual time. And once you adjust, it used to stay. But ever since this lockdown and the bike is standing there for long number of days and hours, so maybe that's why it's taking a toll on that feature. Maybe it's the battery issue. Back on the highway after a long time, and that too on a Tuesday morning. Normally we come on this road on Sunday mornings. You have seen these roads a lot. What else? And I just hope that my audio is getting picked up better, unlike the previous vlog, because in the previous vlog I didn't have that microphone setup done properly. I just threw any mic that I got in front of me, and also it didn't have the audio filter. पंछियों का मेरे साथ कुछ अलग ही रिश्ता है. Pratik knows it better. It's slow moving. Okay, another thing I just remembered is that I haven't provided you a proper feedback on the handlebar. Well, it's doing its job perfectly fine. Few things I'm facing, not an issue though, it's just that it needs some adjustments. So when I'm taking a right turn, so I believe there is a bit of tension on the cable that I'm facing. So the clutch release cable is something that I need to adjust, maybe just a little bit. It's not something that is bothering the performance of the bike, and if you play a little with the clutch release and all that, it will work fine. It will not create any trouble. I have not done any proper off-roading or anything like that, but standing up on the bike and maneuvering the bike has become a lot more easier. Obviously, that's the main purpose of getting it done. What's the time now? 9:15. Oh, okay, I'm not that late. In case you're getting that whistling noise, it's not me whistling, it's the wind through the empty helmet. So the empty helmet is notorious for making such wind noises. Let's see what the situation is at the service station during this COVID times. पहले किसको धोगे, इसको या मेरे को?
पहले आपको धोएंगे।
मैं खुद भी बैग में कैरी कर रहा हूँ ये पूरा सामान।
जरूरी हो गया है।
हाँ, अब तो ये वही हो गया, शॉपिंग करने जाओ तो सबसे पहले यही खरीदो। सर्विस भी कह सकते हो, छोटा मोटा काम है, फुल फॉर्मल सर्विस नहीं है। मैंने कल फ़ोन किया था, बात हुई थी मेरे घर। Finally, the servicing, so almost the servicing you can say, it's done. And needless to say, the bike has gone a lot more smoother because it's now breathing through a brand new air filter. And I've also got an extra piece of air filter just as a stock thing. And the most important thing, okay, फटका कितने का लगा? How much was the bill for? How much was the bill for? It was a total of 2026, like 2026 Indian rupees. Okay, in case I ran out of juice, I mean not me, my GoPro. Oh, thank you for watching this vlog, and in case you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, you're welcome to watch my other videos. My videos primarily focus on content editing and no show off.